Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, Eclipse Built-in Visualizers, I'm going to show you how you can access and benefit from visualizer topics within Eclipse. Visualizers are built-in movies about individual features and topics that help you learn as needed. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone you think will enjoy it, and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Now, let's take a look. Eclipse includes an extensive series of videos about individual features and topics about the software. You can access these by going to Support Visualizer Topics. At the top, you can click How to Use Visualizers to show a movie about how to use the visualizer player. In the middle left, you can select to view an alphabetical index of all visualizer movies, or you can press F1 to access this list as well. In the top right, there's a list of all of the videos about the changes that have happened in recent versions of Eclipse. And in the bottom right, you'll find all of the different categories of videos that you can choose from. So if you click on one of these categories, all of the different options for that specific category come up. You can hit Main to get back to the main visualizer screen. Press Exit to exit the Visualizer Topics window. Visualizers are also available within the Help menu. If I press F1 and scroll to the bottom of many different articles, there will be visualizer links to appropriate videos for the article that you're looking at, and you can click these links to open the visualizer in question. Visualizers can be a great way to get a bite-sized chunk of information about the software, and they're available all the time, even when you don't have internet. I hope that you'll begin using visualizer topics today. Don't forget that Advantage Software is a partner that you can count on. We offer anytime support. Our friendly and helpful staff is available for any question, anytime, including weekends and holidays, at 772-288-3266. Email support is available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thanks so much for watching this video and have a great day.